Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I am doing the very first challenge prompt for this month, that word being tall. I sure hope that this is not a personal attack on my own height. I'm gonna pretend like it's not and get into this painting. So my idea for this piece in using the word tall, I didn't want to just make some really tall character or something that was just tall in general. I thought it would be really fun to play on this idea of how children have to do stuff to make themselves taller to be able to grab, say, a cookie from a counter. So the idea really seemed fun to have this kid on this step stool to be able to grab this cookie that was left hanging on a wire to just tease how short the kid is. It really plays on the creative aspect of kids' minds on how they problem solve things in the world. But now I really want a cookie, so I'm gonna go get one and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this last bit, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word tall. I think this turned out really cute, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Also, don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom there for you. Also, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!